How to maintain and repair synthetic stucco in Michigan homes. As a homeowner in Michigan, you know that the weather can take a toll on your home's exterior. Synthetic stucco, also known as exterior insulation and finish system, is a popular choice for many Michigan homes due to its durability and energy efficiency. However, over time, even the toughest synthetic stucco can develop cracks and other damage. It's important to address these issues as soon as possible to prevent further damage and maintain the integrity of your home. In this article, we'll discuss how to maintain and repair synthetic stucco on Michigan homes, including common issues to look out for and steps you can take to keep your home looking its best. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or new to the world of home maintenance, this guide will provide you with the information you need to keep your synthetic stucco in top condition. Understanding the common problems with synthetic stucco. While EIFS stucco is a great choice for many Michigan homes, it's not immune to damage. The most common problem with synthetic stucco is cracking. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including settling or shifting foundations, moisture damage, or poor installation. If you're watching this video, it's likely you have a synthetic stucco home or building and you want to find out about maintaining and repairing it. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification on. I post content you will be interested in. Other issues can include discoloration, fading, and chalking, which occurs when the stucco breaks down over time and leaves a powdery residue on the surface. It's important to understand these common problems so that you can identify them early and take steps to address them before they become more serious. By keeping an eye out for these issues, you can prevent more extensive damage and ensure that your synthetic stucco lasts for many years to come. Inspecting your synthetic stucco for damage. Regular inspections are key to maintaining your synthetic stucco. Ideally, you should inspect your stucco at least once a year, although more frequent inspections may be necessary if you're experiencing severe weather or other issues. During your inspection, look for signs of damage such as cracks, discoloration, or chalking. Pay particular attention to areas where moisture may be getting in, such as around windows, doors, and other openings. Moisture damage can be particularly devastating to synthetic stucco, so it's important to catch it early and address it promptly. Dealing with synthetic stucco damage. If you're dealing with synthetic stucco damage, such as extensive cracking or moisture intrusion, it's best to call in a professional. A professional contractor will have the tools and expertise necessary to properly repair your synthetic stucco and ensure that it looks and functions as intended. Ask for references and photos of previous work to ensure that you're working with someone who has a track record of success. Painting your synthetic stucco. If you've had your synthetic stucco repaired or simply want to freshen up its appearance, painting can be a great option. However, it's important to choose the right type of paint for your synthetic stucco. Acrylic paint is typically the best choice for synthetic stucco, as it allows the stucco to breathe and won't trap moisture inside. Make sure to choose a high-quality paint that's designed for use on synthetic stucco, and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Before painting, make sure to clean your synthetic stucco thoroughly to remove any dirt, debris, or mildew. This will help to ensure that the paint adheres properly and looks its best. Tips for maintaining your synthetic stucco. In addition to regular inspections and repairs, there are several things you can do to maintain your synthetic stucco and keep it looking its best. These include keeping gutters and downspouts clean and free of debris to prevent water from pooling around your home's foundation. Trimming trees and bushes away from your home to prevent damage from falling branches or leaves. Sealing any gaps or cracks around windows, doors, or other openings to prevent moisture from getting in. Cleaning your synthetic stucco regularly to remove dirt, debris, and mildew. By taking these steps, you can help to ensure that your synthetic stucco lasts for many years and continues to provide your home with the protection and energy efficiency it needs. When to call in a professional for synthetic stucco repair. A rule of thumb when it comes to EIFS stucco is hire a pro, especially for larger or more extensive damage, which should always be handled by a professional. If you're unsure whether a repair is something you can handle on your own, it's always best to err on the side of caution and call in a professional. This will help to ensure that the repair is done properly and that your home remains in good condition. In conclusion, the importance of maintaining and repairing synthetic stucco. Maintaining and repairing synthetic stucco is an important part of home ownership in Michigan. By keeping an eye out for common problems, inspecting your stucco regularly, and taking steps to address any issues that arise, you can help to ensure that your synthetic stucco lasts for many years and continues to provide your home with the protection and energy efficiency it needs. Whether you're an experienced homeowner or new to the world of home maintenance, this guide should provide you with the information you need to keep your EIFS stucco in top condition. By following these tips and working with a professional when necessary, you can enjoy all the benefits of synthetic stucco without having to worry about extensive damage or repairs. You made it all the way to the end of this video. You are obviously interested in EIFS stucco repair and maintenance. You need to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on, so you are notified when our next video is released.